welcome. You're watching The Money Show. I'm with you, Kavita Thapliyal, and this is the show where we decode the headlines, cut through the noise, and help you make smarter decisions with your money. From markets to mutual funds, savings to strategy. That's right. If it affects your wallet, we break it down for you. In a world of constant market moves and financial noise, we focus on what really matters: your money, your goals, and your financial future. So let's dive into the stories and strategies that can help you stay ahead. So let's get started. And today, more and more people are using mobile investment apps. That's a reality. Thinking that they are free. No subscription fees, no obvious charges, nothing to pay. Now that really sounds great until you realize the cost can hide in places you don't expect and slowly eat into your returns. Free might mean no upfront fee, but as the old adage always goes, if you are not paying, you might be the product. That's right. Now that's where the real cost shows up. Why free can be misleading. Let's unpack how these apps actually make money. You are the product. That's right. Investment platforms often offer free entry like free mutual fund investing to bring you in. Then they make money by selling higher margin products like stock trading, insurance, personal loans, or even premium advisory services. Earning commissions on products you buy through them, selling your attention to advertisers or cross-sells. So while your SIP may feel free, the platform is still earning off you indirectly. The hidden cost, let's understand that. Regular versus direct plans. One of the biggest unseen drags on your returns comes from mutual fund plans. That's right. Regular plans sold through many free apps by default include embedded commissions the platform earns, cost you more over the long term. Direct plans, they don't include these commissions, have lower expense ratio, let more of your money stay invested and compound. Now, what seems like a tiny difference, often less than 1%, can translate into lakhs of rupees lost over 10 to 20 years of compounding. Now, many investors never notice because they do not calculate the long-term impact. Next, why most users miss these costs. Now, here's the key. Most small charges don't jump out at you. Platforms may not clearly display the fee difference. Expense ratios look small until you calculate their impact over years. People focus on app convenience, not long-term drag on returns. And in many cases, investors never ask the obvious question: how is this platform making money from me? Now, let's also take a real world example, expense ratio impact. Now, put it in perspective. Even a 0.5 to 1% extra annual cost on mutual funds may reduce your overall corpus drastically over decades. Now, that's because return compounds, but so do the cost. Small differences magnify over time. Hidden fees quietly reduces your nest egg. Now, this is why advisors always stress cost transparency and choosing the lowest possible fees for long-term investors. Now, yet apps often bury these details in the fine print. Now, what smart investors do, instead of chasing free, smart investors ask the platform that how does this platform earns for me? Now, the main question is, one should be knowing that how is the platform making money to the investor? Now, this simple question often reveals that which product generates income for the app, whether the default mutual fund plan is regular or direct, whether extra service comes with hidden charges later. Now, using apps is wisely. An investment app is not bad if you're using it wisely. That's the condition. They often offer convenience, quick execution, and access for beginners. But convenience doesn't equal cost of free success. So choose the direct mutual fund plans whenever possible. Look under the hood of expense ratios and commission. Compare with AMC or third-party services if in doubt, and don't get upsold into products you didn't plan for in the first place. Now, what is the takeaway for you as an investor? Free isn't zero. A very important thing to understand. No upfront fees does not mean no cost. Hidden charges can reduce your long-term wealth. Transparency and informed decisions matter more than zero sticker price. So next time an app says free investing, remember the returns you keep matter more than the fees you don't see. Always ask how the platform makes money, because in investing, everything has a cost, even the ones that aren't obvious. On that note, let's dip into the other part of the segment or the show, which is the viewer queries section, and we'll be joined by Pankaj Matpal. But before I get into that, time to flash our WhatsApp number and email ID so that you can keep sending us your questions and more of investment related wisdom, and obviously your portfolio queries are answered live on the show as well. So send across your questions and we will get it answered live on the show. See you after this break.